welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another Grove haul. You guys know how much I love Grove. I'm not sponsored. They don't know who I am. I just absolutely love cleaning products and I love getting mine from Grove. So yeah, but we're going to get into this video. I did a pre-order for some of the holiday scents and then I also got some other things. I didn't necessarily need them, but I have a problem and I collect cleaning supplies apparently. So if you guys want to see like a cleaning supply collection sort of video, let me know. Give me a thumbs up because I have a lot of cleaning supplies. Like I need to stop ordering from Grove for a little bit and use what I have, but I can't. I have a problem. If you guys are into cleaning products, you probably understand it's a thing. I can't help it. But anyway, let's just get into this haul so I can show you guys what I got. You guys know I have a problem with the Caldrea Pear Blossom Agave scent. Like I had to get the spray and the linen spray and I'm just obsessed. I'm obsessed. I discovered they have laundry detergent and I needed it. So I picked up the laundry detergent because I need everything to smell like this scent. This is my new favorite scent. I am obsessed. If you guys want to try the Caldrea products, this is the scent that I would recommend. I know everybody says sea salt neroli, which is a good scent, but guys, the pear, yeah, just do yourself a favor and go get it. So of course, I then had to get the fabric softener. The funny thing is, before I started using Grove, I never used fabric softener, but then I was like, I need all of the fabric softeners to match. Like it's weird. I like want my laundry detergents to match. Like I want all the scents to match. So I got the Pear Blossom Agave. It's a problem. It's a problem. And the last thing that I got that's Pear Blossom Agave scent is a candle. You guys, I didn't know they had candles, and so it was kind of pricey, so I wouldn't buy this like all the time. Ugh, but it just smells so good. It's probably more of like a spring scent, but it just makes me so happy. So I'm like, I don't even care that it's probably more meant for like the springtime. Bring it on, winter. We are gonna be smelling pear agave. It's crazy. So I got this product for free. I actually ordered this a couple months ago, so I actually have one. This is just gonna be a backup, I guess. But it's the 7th generation multi-purpose wipes in the Scent Garden Mint. I really like these, so I wasn't mad that they sent them for free. You know, I was like, yeah. So for the pre-order, you could pre-order the, what is this? The multi-service spray, hand soap, dish soap, and then one bundle came with a candle, one came with a dish towel, one came with something else. I don't remember all the different bundles that you could get, but I got the one that came with the candle. So I got the spray, hand soap, dish soap, and a candle. So I'm going to show you guys that now, but I got the peppermint scent, and oh my gosh, you guys, this stuff smells so good. Like if you like peppermint, you're going to love the scent because it's peppermint. Like it just is peppermint, obviously. I was just like, you know, I need the peppermint scent. I know the Iowa pine is supposed to smell really great, but I was just like, I need the peppermint one in my life. Of course, it came with the dish soap and the hand soap. I'm trying not to put these out yet because I literally just put out my apple cider one and I feel like it's just too early, but on the flip side, I'm like, but Christmas, like, you know? So I think I'm gonna wait until like the first week of December to put these out, and then these will be great to go through January also. I feel like January is one of those months where you need like a pep in your step. So this is gonna be great for me to have peppermint through January. So yeah. Okay, then the last thing that came with the bundle is this pomegranate and red currant soy candle. It smells very Christmassy, so I'm not mad about it, but I am kind of confused as to why they don't have like the Mrs. Meyers candles in the scent that comes with like that you ordered, you know? So I don't know, that's a bit weird to me, but this candle definitely smells like Christmas, so I'm not mad about it. Alright guys, so that is everything that I got in this month's Grove order. I actually switched my date, which is why in October I don't think I put up any Grove orders because I just kind of pushed my date back. I didn't really need anything, but then when the pre-order came out, I was like, you know what? I'm getting this pre-order And then I was like, and they have pear agave and like all these other things, so I need that too. So that's kind of why I didn't have a Grove order for you. I still love Grove so much. I just need to slow down because I have way more than I need, I think, at this point. So let me know if you guys want to see like a cleaning supplies kind of video where I show you my collection, I show you things that I love, just more in depth of like stuff that I'm using. Let me know, give me a thumbs up, and tell me in the comments if you guys want to see that. That is it for this video. Oh, before I wrap up though, I did want to say thank you guys so much for 3,000 subscribers. I am mind blown. Like, I never thought that I would hit 2,000. So the fact that I'm here sitting here saying there's 3,000 of you guys, like, my mind is blown. Thank you guys so much. If you haven't subscribed and you liked this video or you just want to see more of my content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. That way you're notified when I upload. And then also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also if you want to see a cleaning products collection type of video, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.